In this video, I'm going to be showing you an Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services tutorial. In this guide, I'll walk you through the fundamentals of IICS, a powerful cloud data integration platform to help you connect, cleanse, and manage data across your organization. This tutorial will focus on getting started, building your first integration, and exploring IICS automation and data management capabilities. So, first, what is IICS? IICS, or Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, is a suite of cloud based tools designed to enable seamless data integration, data quality management, and data governance. With IICS, organizations can easily connect various data sources, perform data transformation, and automate data pipelines. IICS is known for its user friendly interface, pre built connectors, and powerful data transformation capabilities, making it popular among businesses aiming to streamline and unify their data in the cloud. So, now let's get started. So in the website, you can simply log into your account by clicking right here in the top right. So if you just created an account, you will now be redirected to this page. So you will be asked which source and target systems are you interested in. So here are some of the samples you can choose from. So let's say I want Salesforce. So click continue. So from here, you can load data from a CSV file to Salesforce or transform Salesforce data. So right here, I'm just going to click on to show this again. And now this is how our dashboards would look like. So as you can see, you will see data integration, administrator, monitor, and operational insights. You can also click here to show all services. So these are all of these services of Informatica. So let's say we want the data integration. So click right here and we will be redirected to a new page. So as you can see, this is the data integration dashboard. So this would be our homepage. So there's a question right here in the top. Do you use a cloud data warehouse as your primary destination? So if yes, you can set up and optimize your processing so that it is faster and cheaper. For now, I'm just going to click here on X. So now to get started, you can simply click on transform right here to create a mapping in ETL or ELT mode to load and transform your data. You can also create a task flow to define the control flow logic for your data integration and ingestion tasks. You can also add another user right here. So let's say it's a team member. You can also get connected, so you can add connection to a source or destination. You can also use their data transfer task or insights. Next is the explore feature. So from here, these are the pre-made projects to add on bundles in default. So this is auto-generated default projects. Next is bundles. So we don't have bundles yet. We also have jobs right here for data integration and import and export logs. So now to get started, you want to click here on transform. And now new task configuration wizard is available. So let's just click on remind me later. So now, again, how do you want to transform your data? You can simply choose here using a wizard or using our mapping designer. So when you use a wizard, you can use our easy to use data transfer task to move data from your source to your destination. You can add to source data and with data from a lookup source. You can also use the mapping designer to create a mapping with or more sources and one or more destinations. So let's say we want to use a wizard, so click on continue. So from here, you need to fill up the general properties. So let's say data transfer task 1, the location, the default, Runtime environment is the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent. Now click on Next. Now we have the source. So you need to select a source. So if you don't have any connection yet, you want to click here on New Connection. So you want to add a connection name. Just going to type in test description and type. So let's say you have a SQL server. So from here, simply fill up all of this information about your SQL server and click on OK. So in my case, I don't have any connections yet. So if you have one, you can simply select from the type. So I don't have any from here, so I'm just going to select Cloud Integration Hub of Informatica. Runtime environment is also Informatica and click on OK. So specify a validate connection. So I'm just going to select here OK. So if you're going to use Informatica, you will need the username and password. I don't have that yet. So if you have another type, so let's say again your SQL server or MySQL, just click on OK and you will now be redirected to second source if you want to add one. Now, after the second source, you want to go next and go to target. So in target, you will select where you want to transform your data or to transfer your data. After target is field mapping. So from there, you can create automations. After creating your automations, you can now select your runtime options. From the runtime options, you can select when the trigger will be triggered or when the automation should be running. After that, just simply click on save or click on run to make sure that your data transfer task is now up and running. So another one is you can create task flows. So click here and orchestrate. So from task flow, this is just another automation. So as you can see, you can create automations right here. So what's good about this is you can simply drag and drop. So let's say this is the data transfer. So just drag and drop. You can add it right here. Assign right there. Start, the assignment, and the end. So it still depends on you and how you want to use this task flow or how you want to automate your data. So basically, that's all the features of Informatica data integration. So you can simply explore more about the features right here in the dashboard, and you'll now be using Informatica for your business in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.